As a parent, I think it's very important to have my children connected to the earth and to know where their food comes and where their medicine and healing comes from, because it's all around us. My name is Katrina Foe and I'm from Clearwater, Idaho. One of the things I love most about Herb Fairies is that the books are rich. They're not twaddle and fluff. There's actual substance to them, and they're engaging my children and taking them away from a lot of the sitting and playing video games and just, being mindless. And they're giving them something, not only a great story, but they're giving them some learning snuck in there to where they're really enjoying learning and they don't even realize it's happening. I feel very empowered seeing my children know how to go out and get their own medicine and make their medicine and how to utilize what's already there. They do it themselves. They don't call for mommy to come bandage their boo-boo. They know how to take care of it. Knowing the herbs, and not just knowing what they do, but just being inspired by how much you can use them, and that kind of trickles over to having us, look up something else that maybe isn't in the Herb Fairy course and getting inspired and just feeling empowered to be able to use the knowledge and make our own salves or teas, and it's not this, ooh, this is too hard, you have to be an expert to do it. As we have gotten more into the herbs, they've wanted to learn more and they've wanted to do more things with it, and it's been very self-motivated from the inside. They've been interested in it, not me telling them what to do, which as a parent I greatly appreciate. I want them to be self-learners and be interested in things. So this has inspired an interest in the herbs, and not only that, but in cooking more and in taking care of your body more in lots of different areas. It's just excited them. If I had one request of Herb Fairies, it would be that they would write more books. It's been such an awesome series and the kids love it so much, and they're hungry for more and they really want to learn more about all the different herbs, and the way that they bring it to life and help you really grab hold of how to use those herbs is super helpful. They're just brilliantly written.